What's going on, you guys? Michael Elefante here. I'm a content creator on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and I just received in the mail my Karat credit card. Now this has a nice little bow tie on it. We're gonna open this today, just so you guys can see right there. We're gonna open this and I'm gonna review what Karat Card is all about and how I got a hold of this, because it is by referral or invite only currently. Now the Karat Card, for those that don't know about it, is made for content creators. So think YouTube personalities, TikTok creators, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Now they're currently operating on a referral system only at the moment, or you can go on their website and join the wait list, which currently has over 100,000 people waiting, and that list is growing every single day. Now before I actually unbox this card and show you guys what it looks like, because it is super cool and unique, let me walk you through why the Karat credit card was created and what are the benefits of having and using the card. So the Karat card is really unique in the fact that it is made for content creators, and it is provided to creators not solely based on income, but also social stats. So what is the growth of your social platforms? And they're using a combination of that and the cash flow from the various businesses that you create to establish your credit limit and things like that. Honestly, what a crazy world we live in, that there is a credit card that is created for people who create content and push it out to the world. But I think there's a lot more to this business model than initially meets the eye. I can't speak for all content creators out there, but once you go full-time on content creation, meaning you leave a 9-to-5 job, it becomes difficult in that first 1 to 2 years to apply and get approved for loans and lines of credit. So I think where Karat Card has a really unique strategy is by not only looking at the cash flow from your businesses or through your social media profiles, but they're also looking at the growth and then the magnitude of your following. The team at Karat realized that they have a really unique opportunity to grow and scale with the creators that use their card. As creators grow and scale, so does their income, and they often need flexible credit cards to work with in order to support their business growth. Because not only is their income growing, but their expenses are also likely growing as well. And just for example, Karat was able to give me a much higher credit limit than any of my other credit cards that I have, and I have multiple different credit cards. And I quote from Karat, "Old school banks don't get it. We give you limits based on your socials plus cash flow so you can focus on creating." Content creation is very different than an ordinary 9-to-5 job. Your time and effort put in on the forefront is not to have an equal output of money on the back end. With content creation, there's usually no monetary benefit up front for either weeks, if not months or years. But once you gain a following, it begins to scale exponentially, and so does the income along with that. Before I get into some of the other details of Karat Card, let's just go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. What I find super unique about this card is the laser engraved logo on the front. They gave me complete freedom of creativity on what I wanted on there. I could have had my name, my business name, or this really unique tribal elephant. My last name is Elefante, so I thought that was super cool and unique. One of the things I love most about Karat Card so far is the Karat Concierge service. Now, this is a service that enables you to text directly with a real person, not a bot, of the Karat team. So literally any question that I have, I can drop a message in that chat and they will respond usually within a couple of minutes. One of the things I thought was super cool was even as I was getting set up and approved for the card, they were collaborating with me back and forth on what color card I wanted and then what I wanted laser engraved on the front. And they literally sent me images of what it would look like before creating it. And then fast forward a day or two, they sent me a video of the card actually getting laser engraved, which I thought was super, super cool. Now this brings me to the benefits of the card, because ultimately that's what I was asking. That's what I ask of any credit card company before signing up with them, because I want to make sure it's worth my time and money. First of all, there's no annual fee. A lot of credit card companies that provide a really hefty cashback or point system oftentimes have a hefty annual fee. Now sure, there are a lot of cards out there that don't have an annual fee, but most of them are the typical cashback cards that provide 1 to 2% net cashback on all of your purchases. With the Karat card, you can choose 3 categories and you get 3 to 5% cash back on those purchase categories. That's pretty serious cash back for no annual fee. Now, one of the coolest things about this card is the fact that they operate as a referral business. They know that the creator community is really strong and robust and growing every single day. So they rely on creators they already work with that use their card to refer other people that may be interested. For every person that you refer that signs up and spends using Karat Card, you get a $250 statement credit, which is a pretty hefty bonus. And for every 5 people that sign up through your referral link, you get an increased amount of cash back for a certain period of time. Not only that, I get emails and messages from Karat Concierge letting me know when there's special offers, which apparently happen more often than not. For example, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, there were certain categories where you could spend money and get 5+% back. One of the things about this card that some of you may find really cool and some of you won't care about is this happens to be the heaviest card on the market. It is made out of alloy metal. So not really super important, but it does feel pretty badass throwing down a really hefty card on the table after a nice dinner. I have a feeling that the Karat Card is going to get better over time. I'm really loving the Karat Concierge. That's really my only concern with the company is as the card grows, are they going to be able to keep up with the level of service and support that they currently have as they scale to millions of card holders. But so far, I really like the card. I already added it to my Apple Wallet so I can use it for Apple Pay anytime I want. And I encourage any content creator out there that has interest in the card to take a look at their website and learn more about it. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. And if you have any other credit cards that you love using every day, I would also love to hear about them. I'm always curious on what benefits that they provide. So drop them also in the comment section. And if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Right after liking this video goes a long way in promoting my content to other people who may find it valuable as well. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time.